Uh, Molly's utility function is y plus 4x to the power 5. So utility function is y plus 4x to the power 5. She has 25 units of x. Oh, okay, thanks. So this is basically 4 root x. Okay, so she has 25 units of x and 12 units of y. If her consumption of x is reduced to 0, how many units of y would she need in order to be exactly as well off as before? Okay, so these are quasi-linear preferences. Uh, so in this thing you have two components of the utility. One is the component of utility coming from y, let me call it uy, and another is component of utility coming from x, that is ux. Okay. So right now she is consuming 25 units of good x, which is said will become 0. Okay, so at 25 units, her utility from good x is 4 into root 25, so that is 4 into 5, so that is 20. So she is getting 20 words of utility from good x. So she is getting 20 units of utility from x. Okay, so now I need additional 20 units of utility from y. So if I remove this x completely, there's going to be a reduction in utility of 20 units. So if you want to see that utility being compensated for with respect to y, you need a delta y equals to 20. Okay, so when you add 20 units of y, you get exactly as well off as before. So that would be the answer. So how many units of y would she need in order to be exactly as well off as before? So delta y is 20. Initially she is consuming 12 units of y. So delta y is 20. So final y prime will be equals to y naught plus delta y. So the initial consumption of y is 12. New amount of y should be 20. So total she needs 32 units of good y. So this is the answer.